jumped out on my. Anyway, he's writing up the inspection right now. Basically, what I got a couple of lights out. No big deal. Everything else checked out. Tires good. Everything's good except I got a couple of lights. I got two or three lights out. A couple of my bed lights got short, and they keep going out. They've been fixed numerous times, but and we just had a new tag light put on the back, on the rear. We got out of the shop a couple months ago. We had a new tag light put on because the old one wasn't working worth crap. Well, the new one ain't working either. Ain't nothing I can do about it except get on it and fix it, man. Get on the ground and get it fixed. But he's writing my inspection up right now, and that's how it goes, man. You get jammed every now and again. You get jammed up. DOT. I've told people in the videos. Georgia DOT is real strict. I got one on the back right now. I got 5 tie downs on it. I got 4 chains, and I got a safety strap on it. If I didn't have all that on there, he could have wrote me up for insecure load on the vehicle. You have to strap these things down, or you'll get nailed to the wall. There's no question about that. But that's how it goes. Everything's good. He's actually a really nice officer. He's just doing his job. That's what his job's to do, is to make sure these the tow drivers and truck drivers are not riding around in a hazardous truck and putting people's lives in danger. They're riding with bad tires and stuff like that. Tires come off these trucks, and they'll go through somebody's windshield when they split.
Hey, you got any spare fuses?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, tow trucker, we're back at it, man. Hope everybody's doing well. Welcome back to the channel. I'm on an impound right now. I really can't do a lot of talking to do a big intro. I just pulled up to this trailer park and they called in a boat. I don't have any idea anything about this call other than I gotta yank this boat. It's at a trailer park, and I don't know if anybody's here. Don't know what I'm getting into, what I'm rolling up on. But we're rolling up on it, and we're gonna go get it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try to find it real quick. That's 1211. The numbers are very vague on these trailers. You can barely see the numbers on these trailers. Not every one of them had that. It's gonna be that end right there, man. Number 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is gonna be an issue, man. I've got to get that boat right there. This is the boat right here. I'm pretty certain that's the boat I got to pick up. That's gonna be a trick getting that out. We're gonna have some confrontation on this one. I can almost guarantee it. All right, we got that hitch on there. But I just talked to the main man. He told me to go ahead and load it. He can't come over here right now, so I'm gonna have to. It's gonna take a minute to load it. We're gonna have some problems. But I'm gonna put it on the hitch, and I'm gonna pull it out in the street. I'm gonna have to cut his lock off, but I ain't worried about that. I'll cut his lock off with him in the driveway. This boat can't be here. And they've told him about it. It's been stickered. They warned him, and he's just not getting it, man. So we're gonna have to be ready for whatever happens here. Be on our toes. But I'm gonna back up, man, and try to get it situated on. Matter of fact, I need to go ahead and cut the lock off right now. Just get out and cut the lock off of it.
I come today.
Hey, the boat's got to go. It's got to go, man.
Okay,
Right now. I gotta
Okay.
take it
Look
out
at my
of here.
tire and come today. Yes,
I have to
I
take the
moved
boat.
today.
I gotta take the boat out of here.
I
You called me up
move.
here to get it, so I'm saying.
No, I move away.
Okay, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You don't even, where's your truck at?
Huh?
Is that your truck?
Yes.
How you gonna move it when it ain't got no tire on it?
Yeah, my tire I come today.
Yeah.
Put today. I move today too.
I'm just
Actually, I'm
telling
going
you,
for the tire, sir. I'm
Yes,
going
for the
right now for the
tire I come today.
The tire
Yes.
just arrived right now.
Yes.
I'm
Oh,
not trying
right
to,
under the
I'm
car.
not trying to be
Honest
mean,
about
it's
it.
just what I do. He told me to come get the truck.
Yeah, just
Come
give
get
me
the truck.
a couple more hours. I'm just going over there. They
Yes,
just call me
yes.
about
I
the
move
tire.
today.
I'm ready to pick it up right now.
I'm here to, that's what I'm saying, I'm here to get it.
Just don't have it right now. I'm taking it out. I'm just going for the tire moving.
Yes, I move today. Yes, you know what?
Yeah.
You-
Tomorrow
you don't
morning.
have
Just
a
give me
tire,
like
yeah.
2 hours more and this shit will be here.
Yes.
Okay.
I will disappear it.
Just
Just give me a couple hours just telling them, hey, the boat is
Yes,
moving.
I-
I'm
yeah.
waiting for the
I
tire.
understand what you're saying, but I'm a tow guy here. It don't have a tire on it.
Yes, in my
You
truck.
need to
Yes,
put the
I
tire
come
right
today.
Yeah, no, I know.
believe-
That's why
At
I
least
take
so I
the
believe-
thing.
At least so I believe that you're gonna move
Yeah.
it because I'm here to get it.
No, that's why I went to here because I
Yeah.
needed to take the other one and blow out and take the measure over there.
Yeah.
So they could find it. And they just said I did that.
Yeah.
Right now they
Yeah.
just called me like, hey,
So
I got
you
this
got a
stuff.
tire and you
Yeah,
got.
they
what-
just say,
got?
hey,
It's
just
got-
go pick it up.
Yeah.
5 minutes from here.
You don't have a tire here?
No, the tire's over there in the place. I leave it yesterday.
I got it towed, bro. I can't leave it. If it ain't got a tire, I gotta take it, man. Hey, the manager told me to. He
Ya
told me
está
to
allá,
come get
güey.
it, man.
Creo que ya está allá. ¿Cuál? La llanta. No hay que quitarla.
Aquí está la letra.
You think I can take it out and go fast?
That's up to you. You got the manager's number? Can you call the maintenance guy? I mean,
Yeah, I
can-
think
hey,
he got it.
If you call him
All right.
and you let him
He
know
will deal
what's
with you.
going on, then
All
you
right.
really are gonna move it.
All right.
It's up to him to tell me not to take it. But
All
I'm
right,
here to
let
get
me
it.
go.
It
Yeah.
don't have a tire. If I had a tire, I would. I mean, I'd be loaded up and rolling.
All right.
Hey, because I wouldn't be holding these.
Yeah, I know.
I would have backed up, picked it up, and rolled.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I'm saying? It ain't got a tire on it. You know
All
what I
right.
mean?
Yeah, he will call him right now. So he'll be
You're
there.
gonna have to call him because the man's gonna tow it. He's
Yeah,
gonna
I
tow
know.
it. That's just.
Yeah, I just see that.
Yeah, he's gonna tow it. There's no question about that.
Yeah, I know.
Unless you, whatever you're gonna do.
If you can, the boss doesn't want to.
Okay.
Yeah, if you can do it.
You got it. Anyway, we got the boat loaded, man. This is one of those tricky loads right here, but nonetheless, we got it loaded, man. We're gonna roll to the yard. Anyway, we got it here with no damages. We didn't turn the lights off so it didn't bend the tone. Didn't lose anything. The lights are good. Didn't hurt his lights. He's got nice lights on the trailer. A little rim fell on there. Lights are good. Nothing hurt. Motor's good. Nothing hit. Nothing bad. I'm gonna set the motor back down and get my skate back out. Okay, got my skate back. Motor good, everything checks out. What we do, we yank cars, boats, trucks, motorcycles. I've impounded shopping carts before. I think it was 80 something shopping carts one time I impounded. Anyway, we're busy. There ain't nothing slowing down on this towing. Matter of fact, we're slammed. I'm actually working over right now on this one. Took a little longer than expected, but we got it to the yard. Well, I just pulled up back at the yard over here. It's been a couple of days, but here's our boat, guys. What's going on, man? I'm glad to see y'all got it back, man. Anyway, thanks for watching. I want to thank all my subscribers for all the clicks, all the shares, all the likes. I want to thank my boss for all everything he does, allow me to have the channel. And I want to thank God for keeping me safe every single day. He protects me, leads, guides, and directs me every day.